Hey, thanks for watching Big Red Money Pit Garage. Back at you with my newest stupid project. Picked this up last night. Don't know the year yet. Not sure what I'm gonna do. LS swap, 454, put a 350 back in it. There it is. Turn the camera around, kind of show you what we've got, and then we'll go from there. There it is. Let's take it in. A new project. Might be a little something missing there. Went and picked this up last night in the dark. You and I are getting our first look at it here. Came with a bunch of junk for free. Take you inside here. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that wood grain. Alright. Might need a little tweaking. Definitely had mice. That's unfortunate. Ooh, smell. Those wheels have got to go. Alright. Guess this will be our new long-term project for the channel. Along with all my other ones I'm working on, but this will be a very long term. Probably end up pulling the whole cab and bed and everything off. Might need a little paint on this little scratch right here. But there it is. I don't even know what year it is. I can tell by the grill and the light that it's a 90 to a 93. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. I don't know if you can tell, but the shade is just slightly off there, huh? But at least the fenders and the hood match, so they came off the same truck. It does look like it might need a little bit of work there. But not too bad at all. Definitely been sitting for a while. All right, gonna get it unloaded and get back with you guys. All right, thanks for watching my brief intro on my new, to me, truck. Ended up being a 93, single cab, short bed, conversion truck that had wood grain center console, wood grain over the top, on the doors, bucket seats with dual armrests, really fully spec'd out, I believe. Don't know how I'm gonna go back with that, right? It needs a lot of work, so I may just go with like a classic bench seat and, you know, paint it black or teal or blue. Not really sure. If you have an opinion on it, let me know down below. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Catch you later.